we opened during the pandemic, so everything's a blur. I'm trying to think. I think it was sometime in June that we opened up. So it's been interesting, but it's been also great just seeing how the space allows for the social distancing. So it was good timing to open a place like that.
Among the many vendors at Camp North End in Charlotte is La Caseta, an open-air food stall that serves mother-made Latin American street food, using recipes passed down from generation to generation.
So La Caseta is part of our restaurant groups. The parent company is Radar Hospitality. So from there, we have 17 Sabor locations that we managed, and we have Three Amigos, which is the original restaurant that we opened in 2010. With La Caseta, we wanted it to take it back to our own roots. The recipes are inspired from different countries and from our employees.
Inspired by the diverse immigrant families of Radal Hospitality, La Caseta's menu does more than list items that customers have long requested. It tells stories.
We have employees from Mexico, and they're the ones who really perfected the carne asada and for the al pastor that we have. One of our employees, he's from Venezuela. He was part of the team to put the recipes together, so he inspired the arepas that we have. My husband is from Dominican Republic, but he's always liked Argentinian empanadas, so it was kind of something that he just enjoyed eating. This one is baked as opposed to fried. The pupusa was inspired by my mom.
Las mejores pupusas las hacemos con todo el gusto, con todo el amor, el corazón, para todas las personas que quieran saborear este platito. Estoy seguro que les va a encantar. Por favor, pueden venir para aquel que no ha comido nunca las pupusas, que pueda hacer presente a la hora que usted pueda venir y el día.
My shirt, if you see the logo, it's a picture of my mom. And she's been running her own store in Queens, New York for 23 years, so we've used some of her recipes in our foods as well. That's, the main thing we brought into La Caseta, this whole thing of mother-made, just thinking of what makes you feel like home, what is something your mom cooks that you enjoy and you like sharing with friends and you kind of brag about, like, no, my mom makes the best pupusa, you have to try it.
La carne está en proceso por 6 horas.
Los frijoles también.
Los frijoles también.
Sí, es muy sabroso. Ellas lo preparan con todo amor, como que lo está haciendo en su casa.
Thinking, of back home or back Latin American countries on street food, people just opened up like their house on the weekend, and that's where you get your fix, for some of the foods we have. And La Caseta, literally, that's what it means, stall.
Aside from creating multiple culinary destinations in Charlotte, co-owners Miriam and Dalton are bringing social work to the hospitality industry. Miriam is also a licensed clinical social worker and is constantly working on innovative ways to support employees. At La Caseta, the work environment that uplifts employees, motivates, and inspires them, which is reflected in the love and time they put into their food.
Food is always important for us. Biting into something and feeling, oh my gosh, this is just how my mom makes it, or this is what I had when I visited this country. That's very important for us to kind of bring that experience to other people in Charlotte, and hopefully people that are immigrants in the community feel comfortable coming here too and have that same experience, so it allows people to come together.
Food stalls definitely have the upper hand right now, and La Caseta's open-air design naturally lends itself to current public health safety measures. You can enter the pedestrian entrance at Keswick Avenue and order at the counter, or place your order online. Their simple menu makes it easy to decide.
Por eso le digo, toda aquella persona que nunca ha comido las pupusas,
Sí.
viene por primera vez. Por supuesto, tenemos por segunda vez, tercera y muchas veces más.
You can find La Caseta at Camp North End in Charlotte. That's at 1801 North Graham Street. La Caseta is open Tuesday through Saturday for lunch and dinner. Visit them online at lacaseta.clt.com.